Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Monday to you. Another day in the market. Got a green day. Got Donald Trump and the leader of Iran. They about to have a sit down talk, see if they can hash things out with this war. So everything right now, all the strikes are on pause. We not striking Iran not at the moment. So you can see they got a meeting. They about to sit down. So this might be the end of this war. As you can see, energy stocks are selling off. So they hash things out. Gas prices gonna come back down anyway. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch recent videos, share my channel. Also, let me just show you something. Well, as you can see in the chart in general, we got a green day. Sorry for that. Um, Up 2.21%. Let me take you to USOY to my oil ETF so you can see the energies they selling off. Last night, this got up to like $9 and for almost $10 a share. And it's down 6.52%. It was at 9.10 at the high. I'm going to take a USOI. That's how I monitor where things going, how I gauge it. $54, down 3.92%. So if they call off the war, energy, gas going to go back to where it was, hopefully around the $65 a barrel, and these energy stocks right here, are going crude oil stocks going to go back to where they were, but we're gonna see. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch recent videos, share my channel. Also, let's get in trading, urgent buys, urgent sales. I had a sell limit order on two harbors. Got tired of it going back and forth, up to 11.21 last week. Been back down to $9.04. That's too much of a gap where I could be making some money, making me $1 something a share. So that's what I did. I sold 131 shares at $11.20. And I accumulated, as you can see, as I told y'all, in the last 2 weeks, I'm gonna start doing a lot of swing trading because that's what people are doing. For something to go from 11.20 to 8.95, people mean they buying it and selling it, buying and selling it. They're not investing for the long haul. So you can see all the shares I accumulated over the time, and that's just what I did and what I'm gonna do from here on out. They do have two harbors. You still have it. It's not a bad thing. 14.19%. They got some new news. They determined their cross-country mortgage proposal. I haven't read it. I don't know if they selling it or they gonna merge. Still the 87.5% hold. 52-week high is 14.17. But let's get down trade, man. First stop, we're gonna look at one of my favorites, SPYT Spit. $16.21. And she's at 16.43. I done went and got some. Gonna get it. I got $10 worth. I go get another three. This could be a dead cat bounce today too. Things can go back to normal and go back to being in the red, as you see. I spit turning over and coming back down. Let's go check out Hood. This one here like it's coming back down. As you can see, look at Hood. So they doing the same pattern. Look at spit. Turn around, coming down. So I don't know what been said in this meeting, but we're gonna find out. Let me see, Arca Aviation had a nice run. We're gonna see what's gonna happen, man. Let's just finish our trade. Let's go back to Hood. $72.10. Got down to 69.77. I put a buy order in for 2 shares at that price. That was the low for the day. It was 67.99. I put a buy limit order for 2 shares at 68. But 72 is still a buy. I got a bunch of shares. I'm gonna sell at like $76. I want to hold it to 82, but that's too long. It's probably gonna hit 78 or 76 and come back down. I just want to rinse and repeat it. I brought some FLO flowers Not Flow Flowers Food. I got some. Got down to 821. I brought some at 834 and 840. This one here making a curve like it's coming back down also. So I don't know what. We're going to find out. 12.01% dividend yield. That's also when I'm going to be selling at $9. Rinse, repeat, lower my average calls, make a couple dollars on it. Bull 516. I did get 25 shares in a buy limit order. They said 504 and 512. I really want a whole list of 607. I can make me $1 a share on stuff, but man, come on, man. You done showed me this today. I ain't trying to do that, man. Just let me trade and get on out of here. I ain't gonna get $3 worth of that. I done brought some anyway, but still a buy at that price. YMAG, Magnificent 7, 12.25. I brought not 12.25. That's where it's at. It got down cheaper than that today. It's $12. I meant put a buy order in at 12 even. Go grab me some of that just in case. It'll notify me when it get that low. If they pick it up. HPP. It was at $5.98 last time I looked. I'm going to accumulate these shares. When they go past $7, I'm going to sell everything I accumulated and keep it moving. Rinse and repeat it. PSEC. Remember that one was at 246. I brought some at 250. I did put a buy limit order in at 246 for 25 shares. 4.5 cents a share every month. 2 holdings I sold. CRF, I grabbed some at 701. Well, I grabbed some at 689 first. 698, definitely not a bad buy. Like this is 7 and under. See if I can get that hit some at 689. Be a long-term hold. This pay 12 cents a share every month right here. Brandywine, $2.82. 280 right now. I'm gonna grab some at 277. I'm gonna put it in 2.77. It's gonna go back up to the $3.20 range. Rinse and repeat. I brought some SoFi. Right down to 1684, 1698. Told the thing look like it's coming back down. I don't know what happened. But it's suspect. I'm gonna get a $3 worth of that. Thought we might have been out of the clear for at least give us a good week. Back still got down to 1643. See, everything making the same pattern as it's coming down. Got down to 1607 today. Go get some Baxter. Y'all stay out of that one though. IWMY 1783. Just pay out every week. Like that price. QQQY. Y'all know IWMY is the Russell 2000, QQQY is the NASDAQ 100. On that 2077. Also get some at market price. GIS 3677, 3751, 6.57% yield. On PFLT, down the horizon, I just go in and get my nibble on, lower my average cost, just pay 10.2 cents a share every month. Some nice cash flow to have. Charge the yen. Got down to 407. We got YMAX, YMX. Pay out 7-8 cents a share every week. Got down to 806. OXSQ 169. 3.5 cents a share every month. VT at 26.92. I did sell this a while back. Forgot I closed my position here. I got one in my cash app. So it expands their relationship with Kane Eldridge Industries. But 73% buy, hold 27%, 6.58% dividend yield. Definitely will be gobbling that up in my other portfolio, my cash app one. Nike got down to 52.58. Said 52.92. Y'all can see I done got in a better place with Nike. Look at my position and my average cost. I went and brought a bunch of shares, like 40 something shares of it. Made $59 down. I'm gonna sell some at 56. Everything I brought at that 53 and under just to get my money back real quick. Make $3 a share. Just in case it go back down, I can do it over again. XLF 49.32. We'll get you some of that. 52 week highs, $56. Just to show you again, you got these top 10 holdings right there. You can pause the video and check it out. Trying to get through this trade so I can get out the house. Got to be better with my timing. RPT, definitely a nice quarterly pair. See if this gonna have some good earnings. I can ride this up to $19. And it has a 9 point something or 12 something percent dividend yield, 10.67. It's a 9 something. SRLN State Street, 8% dividend yields, riding back up. This is something you can place your cash. I look at it like a bond. 52 low 39.08, high 41.67. Got over 8% dividend yield. Some OPP pay out every month. Nice double-digit yielder. I just dollar cost averaging to it. I don't load up on nothing. Buying shares in another portfolio. Let's go to PCF. Also pay out every month. 551, 587. LFT got earnings coming out today, going in at 127. If they have good earnings, this will explode. And it's risky, so stay out of it. It does have a nice dividend yield though, and it's cheap. You just buy this every day. It just pays out every quarter. 16.67% dividend yield. And we're gonna go with earn. Earn, EARN. 434. I brought 25 shares at 440. Put the buy limit in at 434 for 25 shares. Let's go check our traps, man. We can get on out of here. Seems like some people doing some selling somewhere. That's why it's coming back down. Thing about it hasn't ran up enough to gotta get KHC at these numbers. Haven't ran up enough to you to really make any profit, because it came down. I mean, we still, even though it was a green day, we still down. GPMT, stay out of this one. It's gonna be a swing trade. 46. Just accumulate some shares. This does pay a quarterly dividend. 13.07%. Don't take the risk though. Not worth doing a swing trade. I'm gonna swing trade my way up out of it, and I'll be done with it. Metafast, another one, stay out of. This is a weight loss stock. Glad I took my profits on Lionel Basel. AFCG having a nice day. I think I'm at 290. Waiting on this to squeeze. Gold and silver selling off. I see energy selling off. SVOL 1588. Pay 30 cents a share every month. Waiting on this to go back to past the $17 range. Bitcoin had a nice run today, up $3,000. And I started another position in MLPA energy ETFs, put $1 in it. These are the top 10 holdings. You don't have to worry about the K1 thing here. Energy Transfer, MPLX, Hess, Western Midstream, USA Compression, EPD, Plains All America, Sunoco, Cheniere, and Genesis Energy. But that's it. Y'all stay safe out there. Signing off. Go get your money.